Early in the morning, as the sun rays struggled to pierce through the thick fog, the ambient light started to illuminate the beauty of nature. In the distance, we see a pelican preening its feathers, a morning ritual. Another beauty flew in as the sun started winning the battle against the fog.
The black-winged stilt, although commonly found all over Gujarat, is nothing less than phenomenal. It started sticking its head into the water looking for food. Notice how the water rolls right off its head without leaving any trace. This happens because its skin releases an oil that makes its feathers hydrophobic, thus keeping it dry and ready to fly as to evade any danger.
Finally, the sun wins it all as the initial rays illuminates the subject in a beautiful golden light. Isn't this just amazing? As the sun became more prominent in the sky, clouds came in to rescue, giving us some even yet beautiful warm light.
As everything took on the shade of green, I spotted another stilt in this wonderful setting trying to fish. At one point, it even grabs one but fails to get it out. How amazing is the movement of this little bird. Also, let's see how it looks at real speed versus what it looked like in slow motion before.
Right beside the spectacular stilt comes forth a little brown bird walking along the shore, looking for food as well.
Looks like it has found some food to nibble upon, giving me some wonderful slow motion shots. Well, let me slow it down again to show you how adorable this bird is. And as I waited further, it came even closer to give us a closer look.
As we glance along the shoreline, we find many different birds in their morning routine, like this cute little yellow wagtail having breakfast, or this white wagtail that seems a bit restless.
Look at this amazing flight. As it flew away, I decided to follow it, and there it was, running around in shallow waters. Is it looking for food? Or is it going to take a bath? Well, I guess only time can tell. But what we can do is slow it down to get a better look. Oh my, that is amazing. Look at it. Those little droplets flying everywhere like little diamonds. What a beauty. And here it is at normal speed, so you can see what I see.
And as we roll along, we came across a little ringed plover and its weird way to get to its edge. Fascinating little bird, isn't it? Let's see more of them in the next one.
Don't forget to subscribe or you'll miss the next part. See ya.